What's up everybody, Soros here, and today I'm doing a little video for a friend of mine who wants to become a YouTuber. Now, of course I got all these scenes, but in order to, say, record Minecraft, call, in order to set up stuff like your different games, what you do is you go to add new, your display, well if you want to do your desktop, you do display capture, video capture device would be, I think, a webcam. So you can be in the vid, duh. Poor demon. Because he's wanting to become a YouTuber. So basically to start off you want to add a new scene, or if you don't feel like using any scenes, then you just add a new look at link to vid when I send it. Anyways, so what happens is if you want to record a certain game, you just want to do game capture. But if you want to do display capture, you want to do, like say, your desktop. To explain something like I'm doing now, you do display capturing. Video to capture device would be a webcam, which I do need to get at some point. For example, if I do, let's say, new game capture, and let's just call this Trove, or let's call it Minecraft, or Minecraft 2. Okay, if we get a Minecraft 2, that will automatically, when I start recording Minecraft, but let's delete this one. Can we delete, can we remove? Yes. But see, that's how you do game capture. If you want to do display capture, you do that and then you type desktop. And then, I don't know what scenes are for, and like I said, video capture device would be a webcam, which I do need to get. But if it doesn't automatically fit the screen, we're going to do is go transform, fit the screen, and there we go. This is a short little tutorial, but like I said, you can go to game capture, display capture, there's different stuff you can do here. It'll all be found here. I don't know how to edit with it yet, but it's just record. I mean, I can get in contact with, where the heck is, oh, whoop, we'll just pretend that, hey, what's that gram you use to make on your vids? That, oh, excuse, sorry for my grammar today, people, but it's kind of hard. Anyways, so what happens is, because there are certain programs you can download how to do intros and stuff, so how to make an intro on OBS. I mean, there's ways of doing it Panzoid.
Daddy's just gonna look for a promo code.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I was thinking, man, why don't he just use OBS? Like your one on your first scene here, you want the screen capture. So here's my screen capture, and I come over here to the plus and I pick screen capture. And so I also need audio.
Okay. And there's ways of doing it Panzoid and stuff, but I don't know how. Well, let's try this one.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, Zeke here again today to bring you a quick tutorial on how to set up an automatic OBS studio with the folder that your OBS is in. So you just move it to your C program file or wherever you have OBS installed. On how to set up an automatic intro and outro on OBS or XSplit using a scene switcher. So I'm going to start out with OBS here, and I'll post the XSplit tutorial later. So the first thing you're going to want is to install the automatic scene switcher right here. You can just Google that and it will come up. You then extract it to a folder and merge the OBS studio with the folder that your OBS is in. So you just move it to your C program file or wherever you have OBS installed. Okay, so after you're done that, OBS should be open, and under your tools you should have advanced scene switcher. First thing you're going to want to do is create 4 scenes. Throw your intro in the first scene, your outro in the third scene, your game in the second scene, and a black screen on the fourth screen.
Oh, okay, so let's look up... Alright, let's look that up. So, back up.
Or C program.
Automatic. Switcher. Oh, well, you know, it automatically came up. I think mine's a 64 bits. Oh, cancel. How to get to it? That's what I want to know.
File. It will come up. You then extract it to a folder and merge the OBS studio with the folder that your OBS is in. So you just move it to your C program file or wherever you have OBS installed. Okay, so after you're done that, OBS should be open, and under your tools you should have advanced scene switcher. First thing you're going to want to do is create 4 scenes.
Oh, it's advanced.
Throw your intro in the first scene, your outro in the third scene, your game in the second scene, and a black screen on the fourth screen. Next, you're going to want to go to Settings, Hotkeys, and set Start Stop Recording to be the same hotkey as switch to scene 1. That is very, very important. Okay, so after you're done that,
Oh, here we go. Save as. I think it's on my D drive, but no. Should be some under OBS Studio. Oh, we need to look that up.
OBS should be open, and under your tools, program file or wherever you have OBS installed. Okay.
Oh, hold on. I literally got the instructions right here. See, extract file, open the mat. Oh, hold on. Save as. Huh? Download. Extract the folder, open. Oh. Copy the events and. Okay, so that's save. Oh, I can just save it right here. So let's here. Yes, plugins, it's 4-bit. We're going to our files, or D drive now will allow us to also do intros and stuff. So we go to OBS Studio. To install. Download. Open. Oh, dang it. I'm going through these. Save as desktop. And then we're going to go to Screen Switcher, Windows, 4-bit, copy, copy. D users. Say extract from my member some window. And we have to run. OBS, if it is open, our Mac scene switcher, a new scene. Okay, so now we're gonna have our. Now let's see here.
Okay, so after you're done that, switch one is. Next thing you're going to want to do is set switch to scene 3 as whatever you want, as long as you have a hotkey. I like Alt 3 because it's not very well used. So after you're done that, you head to Tools, Advanced Scene Switcher. You ignore most of these up here and head to Screen Round Trip. First thing you're going to want to do is add when scene. So then you press plus there, and both of these are active. Hit the check mark down here and automatically start streaming/recording on scene 4. And by start.
Okay, so I'm learning how to do this. I'm going to go. Let's do fade on all of them. So we're going to remove all these. Yes. Remove. It's going to be black and remove. Yes.
Start, I mean stop. Then go to General and hit Start the Scene Switcher. Next, you're going to want to go to Settings.
Where you're going to have. Oh. I swear. Let's see here. Where's OBS right there? Alright. So you want to have your intro. We'll call it intro.
hotkeys, and should be open, and under your tools you should have advanced scene switcher. First thing you're going to want to do is create 4 scenes. Throw your intro.
Okay, this is getting too confusing. I have that. You know what? I can't figure it out right now, but basically we got our intro, then we got new game capture, craft, as long as it's, okay. Rename. Oh, it's restarting, hold on. Let's do I swear I am not good. Three will be our outro. We got 4, which is just gonna be that. But basically, if you want to set up multiple stuff, I mean this. But yeah. Hopefully, Demon watches this video. Hopefully, he finds out how to do this kind of stuff. Or next time I see him, I will tell him. Yeah, you know, no. Alright, so that's all for this episode. I will see you next time. See ya.